Welcome to Lesson 1 of your Effective Research and Writing e-learning course. In this module, you'll review how to use electronic research databases as part of your topic research. In this e-learning module, you'll review how to search for topic information using your school databases like EBSCOhost and its features. Later modules will build upon this module's work by using the sources and information to practice with. Because the lessons build upon each other, they should be completed in order. After a brief review of the process, you'll be able to check your understanding about electronic research databases before beginning your first step-by-step lesson guide. Let's get started. Research is an important part of our world today. Throughout your time in school, you'll be expected to research numerous topics and situations. Usually, your research is part of a writing assignment as well. While technology has made the research process faster, sometimes it might make it confusing if you do not know how to use the electronic research and writing tools provided for you. With or without technology, the first step in research is to gather information about your topic. This e-learning module is designed to build your skills and confidence in using electronic research and writing tools. Your school subscribes to several electronic databases to help you in the research and writing assignments. Training and practice has already been provided for you by your teachers and library media specialist. To refresh your memory, this e-learning module will review the process again and serve as a guided practice on how to gather and use topic information for research and writing. This e-learning module will use the EBSCOhost collection of databases, but the process is the same for all of the databases. To begin your search, you need to access your school's electronic research databases. These databases are found on the web page under the Library Media Center. Next, you log in using your school-provided user ID and passwords for the current school year. You'll select your databases. In this module and example, we'll be using the EBSCOhost database. Next, you'll decide which collection of resources will be best to search in depending on your topic. You can select all of them, but that would probably yield too many sources. You want to select the databases that relate to your topic and the type of sources required. For example, to search for hurricanes, we will use the topic search, news sources, and science databases, which should yield enough sources to choose from. If not, you can go back and add additional databases to search in. After selecting the databases to start with, you can add or remove them later if needed. To begin your search, you will enter the best search terms. This part of the process is one of the most challenging parts of the process. Often students become frustrated during this part of the process because they want to find sources quickly and do not realize that they might have to search many times using a variety of search terms to get the best sources of information. To avoid frustration, allowing yourself enough time to perform this step is critical. Searches take time and multiple attempts using different search terms to gather the best sources of information. To start, enter the main topic in the first search field and the subtopics in the next ones. This e-learning module will guide you through the basic search. Advanced searches can help make your searches more detailed, and EBSCOhost has additional on-screen help and tutorials in their help section. Words called limiters can be used to expand, narrow, or eliminate topic sources while searching. And allows you to include specific topics and subtopics in the search. Using the word or yields larger numbers of sources because it gathers the search terms in a larger context. The word not is used to eliminate topic sources of information that are not wanted for this particular search. This process takes time to complete and review the retrieved sources. Often the process will be repeated many times during a normal search process. Once you decide enough information has been gathered to start with, the sources are briefly skimmed for potential use. Tips for evaluating sources is the topic of the next e-learning module. For this module, a brief overview will be given to help you select and save the sources gathered for further investigation. Your result list can be quickly skimmed for relevancy and different source types. Select the sources that you think are the most relevant by quickly reviewing their details to see if it might have information that will be helpful. Save them to your EBSCO search folder for further review and use. Further evaluation of sources will be practiced in the second e-learning module and what the researcher should look for in the reference selected. For this lesson, follow the step-by-step instructions found in the Lesson Overview tab. At the end, you will have searched and saved at least 5 relevant sources from at least 3 different types of sources. These sources will be used throughout the remaining e-learning modules. Part of this course's requirements is to complete a research activity log. However, it's a good idea anytime you are conducting topic research to record your activities. It will help you document your work in case you need to go back and find a source or to show that you did complete research on your own. This is an example of the log that will be required throughout the e-learning course. You will include the date, time, the research activities, any questions or problems you had, and how you address them. This research log will be uploaded as a PDF file for submission via email. As previously mentioned, keeping track of research activities is helpful to stay organized and provide additional documentation of your work. Part of the required classwork for this e-learning module is to organize the topic research into Graphic Organizer or a bubble map, separating the topic into subtopics and related categories by source. On the screen is an example of one. You can create a template in Microsoft Word or iWorks pages. There are other Web 2.0 apps like Poplet or software like Inspiration if you have them, but they're not required to complete this assignment. The instructions of what information to use are included in the step-by-step lesson guide found in the Lesson Overview tab. To prepare for this e-learning module, let's check your understanding of the basics needed to enter and start searching for topic information using electronic databases. Read the questions and then select the best answer. The correct answers will be given on screen and explained. If you need more time to think about your answer, pause the video. Let's begin. The image shown to the right depicts which step of the research process? A. The library account entrance. B. The research database entry. C. The ending print screen. The screen shown is the entry screen for the electronic database. Answer B. The electronic databases have a password-protected login screen. The user enters the school-provided username and passwords that are given to each of them as enrolled students. Next question. What part of the topic research does the screenshot displayed illustrate? A. Database login. B. EBSCO folder creation. C. Topic search. The correct answer is topic search, C. The topic search screen enters in the topic keywords in the left-hand fields, and then you select the search button to retrieve your sources. Next question. Using this search limiter word will Narrow the topic sources by ignoring some topics. B. Retrieve specific keyword sources. C. Retrieve many sources of several related topics. The word not, used as a limiter, will eliminate unwanted topic sources. A. Narrow the topic sources by ignoring some topics. For example, this search did not want to include Louisiana in its results for hurricanes. There are many databases to choose from when researching. This e-learning module reviews one of them, the EBSCOhost collection. The processes shown can be used with any of the collections. Practice is the best way to improve and speed up your research skills. So when you're ready to begin the next lesson, go to Lesson 1 Overview.